To activate the sleep mode on iPhone 17e, we can simply open the control center, and then over here we have this focus button. At least by default it is located in here in this place. You can tap on this focus button and you should be able to find the sleep option, so you can tap over here in order to activate it. Now if you go here for the first time, you might need to set it up, and if you have that window you can just close it. But we can just tap on the sleep in here and we can customize the focus if needed. We have a couple of options that we can go through, like intelligent breakthrough and silencing, which is described here below, so if you need to find out how it works, I can recommend you checking that out. Here we can also decide which apps and who can interrupt us during the sleep focus mode being activated, when it's activated. We can also customize the screen, we can create a schedule over here, and we can add focus filters if needed. But once it is set up, now you should be able to actually go ahead and turn on the sleep mode or turn it off. You can just simply use this button in here, or if the focus button actually has this bed icon, you can just tap on the icon itself in order to quickly enable or disable the sleep mode. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.